Right now there's an invisible conversation happening around you, between your phone, your earbuds, your watch, all whispering to each other in a secret language. You don't see it, you don't hear it, but it's there. It's the invisible handshake that lets your devices share photos, stream music, and tell time without a single wire. But here's the wild part. This magic has Viking roots, military secrets, and laser-level precision. Yeah, you heard that right. Vikings, lasers. Welcome to the strangest thing you use every single day, without ever thinking about it. What if I told you your devices are constantly talking, without saying a word? No wires, no visible beam, just trust. It's like they have their own secret language, a silent agreement to share information without you lifting a finger. One minute you're scrolling through Instagram, the next you're listening to your favorite playlist, seamlessly switching between devices without a second thought. That, my friends, is the magic of Bluetooth. But this isn't some mystical force, it's science. And it's happening all around you all the time. Your phone knows when your earbuds are in your ears. Your smartwatch knows when you've hit your fitness goals. You heard me right, folks. Bluetooth. That tiny little symbol on your phone that looks like a messed up bee, it's named after a 10th century Viking king, Harald Bluetooth Gormson, who, legend has it, was known for two things, uniting Denmark and Norway, and having a dead, bluish tooth. But the name is surprisingly fitting. See, just like King Harold united warring factions, Bluetooth technology unites all your gadgets. It's the great unifier of the tech world, allowing devices from different manufacturers running different operating systems to speak the same language. Who knew history could be so, well, connected? Okay, get ready for this. Bluetooth works by using shortwave radio frequencies just like your Wi-Fi. But instead of blanketing your whole house with a signal, Bluetooth creates tiny focused beams, like invisible lasers, that only your paired devices can see. It's like a private concert, just for your gadgets. Imagine a nightclub, pulsating with music and flashing lights. That's what's happening inside your phone right now, except the light show is invisible to the human eye. Billions of times per second, these little radio waves are bouncing back and forth, carrying data, instructions, and all the good stuff that makes your tech tick. And the best part? It's happening in a very specific frequency range, the 2.4 GHz band. Bluetooth is designed to be smart about sharing. You've got your phone blasting music, your smartwatch tracking your steps, and your wireless keyboard typing up a storm, all using Bluetooth. So, why isn't the airwaves a chaotic mess of interference? I mean, we're talking billions of signals flying around every second. The answer? Bluetooth is surprisingly polite. See, all those devices using Bluetooth, they're not just shouting into the void, they're part of a carefully orchestrated dance, taking turns to transmit data in tiny bursts. It's like a perfectly synchronized game of digital musical chairs. This dance is choreographed by something called frequency hopping spread spectrum, FHSS. Essentially, Bluetooth devices rapidly switch between 79 different frequencies within that 2.4 GHz band we talked about. Now for a little history lesson. While the name Bluetooth might conjure images of fierce Vikings, the technology actually has its roots in World War II. Yep, you heard that right. Bluetooth's granddaddy was a top-secret military communication system designed to, well, let's just say it helped the good guys win the war. One of the key inventors behind this early Bluetooth ancestor was Hedy Lamarr. She was a brilliant mind who helped develop a system for frequency hopping that would eventually pave the way for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even GPS. So the next time you're streaming music on your Bluetooth headphones, remember this. You've got a Hollywood starlet and a world war to thank for it. From its humble beginnings as a way to connect your phone to a wireless headset, Bluetooth has become the invisible glue that holds our tech-driven world together. It's in your car, it's in your home, it's even in your toothbrush. Seriously. And it's not just about convenience anymore. With the advent of Bluetooth Low Energy, this technology is finding its way into everything from fitness trackers and medical devices to smart home gadgets and industrial sensors. It's become the go-to solution for the Internet of Things, connecting billions of devices worldwide. And it's not stopping there. Bluetooth mesh networking is taking things to a whole new level, allowing devices to communicate with each other, not just point to point, but across an entire network. Imagine smart cities where traffic lights, street lights, and even parking meters are all connected and talking to each other, optimizing traffic flow and reducing energy consumption. That's the power of Bluetooth. So next time your earbuds pair with your phone, just remember, a Viking, a Hollywood actress, and a world war helped make it happen. Technology isn't just smart, it's weirdly poetic. From invisible lasers to frequency hopping, Bluetooth is a symphony of innovation, connecting our world in ways we never thought possible. It's a reminder that the most impactful technologies are often the ones we take for granted, the silent partners in our digital lives. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your Bluetooth devices close. You never know what kind of magic they'll unlock next. Hooked? There's way more where that came from. Subscribe to ReelCurious and fuel your curiosity, one reel at a time.